heat. You might have observed that a frying pan becomes hot when kept on flame. It is because the heat passes from the flame to the utensil. When the pan is removed from the fire, it slowly cools down. Why does it cool down? The heat is transferred from the pan to the surrounding. Do you can understand that is a both case the heat flows from the hotter object to cooler object. In fact, Paheli asked, does it mean that heat will not be transferred if the temperature of the object is the same? In class case, heat flow from a hotter object or cooler object. How does heat flow? Let us investigate. Take a rod, a flat strip of metal, say of aluminum or iron. Fix a few small wax pies on the rod. The pies should be a nearly equal distance. Clamp the rod to a stand. If you do not find a stand, you can put one end of the rod in between its bricks. Now heat the other end of the rods and observe what happens to the wax spices. Do these spices begin to fall? Which pieces falls the first? Do you think that heat is transfer from the and nearest to the flame to the other's end? The process by which heat is transferred from the hotter end to the cooler end of an object is known as conduction. In solid, generally the condensation of heat by different materials. Minute touch the others and enter your observation table 3.3. The material which allows heat to the passes through then easily are conductor of heat. For example, aluminum, iron, copper. The material which do not allow the heat to the pass through them easily are poor conductor of heat, such as the plastics and wood. Poor conductor are known as the insulator. The water and air are poor conductor of heat. Then how does the heat transfer take place in these substances? Let us find out. Take a fine bottom flask is not available. A beaker can be used. Fill up 2/3 with water. Place it on a tripod or make some arrangement to the place the flask in such a way that you can heat it by placing a candle below it. Can heat it by placing a candle below it. Wait till the water in the flask is still. Place a crystal of potassium permanganate at the bottom of the flask, gently using a straw. Now heat the water by placing the candle just below the crystal. Write your observation in your notebook and also draw pictures of what you observe. When water is heated, the water near the flame gets hot. Hot water rise up, the cold water from the side move down towards the source of heat. This water also get hot and rises. um, Convention of heat in water, and water from the side moves down. This process continues continue till the holes water gets heated. This mode of heat transfer to known as the convections. How does the heat travel in air? In which direction does the smoke go? The air near the heat source gets hot and rises. The air from the side comes into the take the place. In this way, the air gets heated. The following activity confirm the ideas. Light and candles keeps one hand above the flame and one hand on the side of flame. Do your hands feel equally hot? If not, which hand feels hotter and why? Be careful, keep your hands at a safe distance from the flame so that they do not get burned. Transfer heat by convection in air. Notice that towards the top, the air gets heated by convection. Therefore, hand above the flame feels no hot. On the other side, however, there is no convection and air does not feel as hot as at the top. The people living in the coastal area experience an interesting phenomena during the days. The land gets heated faster than the water. The air over the land becomes hotter and rises up. The cooler air from the sea rushes in towards the land to take its place. The warm air from the land moves towards the sea to complete the cycle. The air from the sea is called a sea breeze. To receive the cooler sea breeze, the windows of the houses in coastal area are made to face the sea. At night, it is exactly the reverse. The waters cool down more slowly than the land, so the cool air from the land moves towards the sea. This is called the land breeze. When we comes out in the sun, we feel warm. How does the heat from the sun reach us? It cannot reach us by conduction or convection, as there is no medium such as the air in the most part of the space between the earth and the sun. Daytimes and night times. Cool, hot, and hot or cool. Triple. From the sun, the heat comes to us by the another process known as the radiations. The transfer of heat by radiation does not require any medium. It can take place whether a medium is present or not. When we sit in front of a room heater, we get heat by this process. A hot utensil kept away from the flame cools down as it transfers heat to the surrounding by radiations our body to gives heat to the surroundings and receive heat from it by radiations. All hot bodies radiate heat. When this heat falls on some object, a part of it is reflected, a part is absorbed, and a part may be transmitted. The temperatures of the object increase due to the absorbed part of the heat. Why? And are you advised to use an umbrella when you got in the sun? Kinds of the clothes we wear in the summer and wear. You know that in summer we prefer light colored clothes and in winter we usually wear dark colored clothes. Why it is so? Let us find out. Take two identical tin cans, paint the outer surface of one black and of the other white, pour equal amount of water in each and leave them in the midday sun for about an hour. Measure the temperatures of water in the both cans. Do you find any difference in the temperatures in? We often use electricity and fuels like coal and wood to keep our houses cool or warm. It is possible to construct buildings that are not affected much by heat and cool outside. This can be done by constructing outer walls of building so that they have strapped layer of air. One way of doing this is to use hollow bricks which are available these days. Container with black and white surface which can is the water warmer. You can feel the difference even by touching water in the two cans. Fill in the two cans used in activity 3.10 with the same amount of hot water at the same temperature, say 60 degrees Celsius. Leave the cans in the room or in a shade. Note the temperatures of water after 10 or 15 minutes. Does the temperatures of water in both the cans falls by the same amount? Do these activities suggest do you the reasons why it is a more comfortable to wear white or light colored cloth in? The summer and dark colored clothes in the winter dark surface absorb more heat and therefore we feel comfortable with dark colored clothes. In the winter light color cloth reflect most of the heat that falls on them, and therefore we feel more comfortable wearing them in the summer. Woolen cloths keep us warm in the winter. In the winter, we use woolen cloth. Wool is a poor conductor of heat. Moreover, there is air trapped in between the wool's fiber. The air prevents the flow of heat from our body to the core surrounding, so we feel warm. Suppose you are given the choice in winter of using either one thin blanket or two thin blanket joined together. What would you choose and why? Remember that there would be layer of air in between the blanket. Keywords: Celsius scale, conductions, conductor, convention, insulator, land bridge, radiations. sea breeze, temperatures, thermometer. What you have learned, our senses of touch is not always reliable guide to of the degree hotness of an object. Temperature is measure of the degree of hotness an object. Thermometer is device used for the measuring temperatures. Clinical thermometer used to measure our body temperatures. The range of this thermometer is from 35 degrees Celsius to 42 degrees Celsius from other purpose. We use the laboratory thermometer. The range of this thermometer is usually from 10 degrees Celsius to 110 degrees Celsius. The normal temperatures of the human body is 37 degrees Celsius. The heat flows from a body at higher temperatures to the body at lower temperatures. There are three ways in which heat can flow from one object to another. These are condensations, convections, and radiations. In solid, generally the heat is transferred by conduction. In liquid and gases, the heat is transferred by convections. No medium is required for transfer of heat by radiations. The material which allows heat to pass through them easily are conductor of heat. The material which do not allow heat to passes through them easily are called insulator. Dark colored object absorb more heat than the light colored object. That is the reasons we feel more comfortable in light colored clothes in the summer. Woolen cloths keep us warm during winter. It is so because wool is poor conductor of heat and it has air trapped in between the fibers. State similarity and different between the laboratory thermometer and the clinical thermometer. Give two examples each of conductor and insulator of heat. The hotness of an object is determined by its temperature. Of boiling water cannot be measured by dash thermometer. Temperature is measured in degree. No medium is required for transfer of heat by this process digest. A cool steel spoon is dipped in the cup of hot milk. Heat is transferred. It is the other and by the process. Cloth of digest colored absorb more heat better than the clothes of light color. Match the followings. Land breeze blow during sea breeze blows during night. Dark color cloth are preferred during winter. Light color cloth are preferred during summer. Discuss why wearing more layer of clothing during winter keep us warm than wearing just one thick piece of clothing. Look at the figure in 3.30 mark where the heat is being transferred by the condensations, by convection and by radiations. In place of the hot climate is advised that the outer walls of house the paint white. Explain. 1 liter of water at 30 degrees Celsius mixed with 1 liter of water at 50 degrees Celsius. The temperature of maximum will be 80 degrees Celsius more than 50 degrees Celsius but then less than 80 degrees Celsius. 20 degrees Celsius between 30 degrees and 50 degrees Celsius. An iron ball at 40 degrees Celsius drop in a mug of containing water is 40 degrees Celsius. The heat will be flow from iron ball to water. Not flow from iron ball to water. From water is iron ball. Flow from the water to iron ball. Increase the temperature of both. A woolen spoon is dipped in a cup of ice cream. Its other head become cold by process of condensation. Becomes cold by process of convections. Becomes cold by process of radiation. Does not become a cold. Thank you for watching.